channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today is one of my favorite days because my Magic at Your Door box came in. I am filming on a Friday, which is not normal because it's after work and I don't really do that. But I just can't wait, couldn't wait, need to open it. That's why we are in a different setting because my usual setting has way too much light, doesn't work out. So couldn't wait, and I wanted to show you what I have. So Magic at Your Door, if you don't know, and I'm gonna talk as I open it, is a subscription box. There are 3 levels. There are gold, silver, and bronze. And the nice thing about the subscription box is that you get to you have a wish list for gold and silver, I want to say, and you get to do a wish list, and most of the items are from the wish list. This is gonna be my second box, but at the end of this video I'll post my first box and you'll see that most of those items are from my wish list. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open it because that's what you're here for, to see what I got. I am here for 2. I'm gonna open it this way because I don't want to see the surprises. This month's theme is the Beast, which I love. I hate when the Beast turns into a human. Am I the only one? So I'm so excited. Last month was Stitch. I don't know, can it get any better? It would. If he becomes Coco next month, that's it. I am sold. Well, I'm already sold, but. So first thing is just a little breakdown of everything. I'll go over this at the end. The pin, so every box comes with like a fantasy custom pin, and the pin this time around is the like glass window. It has the castle, the rose from the movie Beauty and the Beast. Super cute. It didn't come in on time. I'm not worried about it. It'll come in the next box, and I think in this box last month should have came in, so the Stitch one should be in this box. So excited. I won't look at anything else yet. All right. Maybe I shouldn't do it this way. There's a lot of freebies in here. So let's see what I got. So the first thing that I got is ears. Kind of excited. Kind of. I am not an ears person. I got my first pair of ears in my last box. Which were from Mexico because I am from Mexico. These are cool too. Je dis français, je parle français. Non, je parle un peu de français, je parle facilemente. Votre nombre est Shirley. But this is cute too. I am really trying to learn French. So actually not mad at it at all. But they're super cute. It says France on the side. And then I'll put the price somewhere on the side once I look at that stuff. All right, the confetti on this is adorable. My cat is coming full swing. Not good. You're gonna start seeing me struggle with her. And then what I got excited about when I opened this was, did you guess? Ah! Sorry, didn't mean to yell. I should put like a caution, I'm yelling. It's a Coco Bag! So this is a bag that I thought I was gonna get in my last box, because I love Coco. If you're new to my channel, obsessed with Coco. And I saw this bag and it's actually so much better in person. I am so happy. Look at it. So it's just, you know, different patterns. It has Mama Imelda. It has his parents. It has Ernesto de la Cruz guitar. It has Miguel. It has Alegrije right there. It has El Cantante, Hector, right there. It's just so perfect, so precious. I can't. It's pretty heavy, so I'm assuming there's stuff inside of here. But in here, it's just a pocket. It's a water pocket, probably for my hot sauces. I am obsessed with chimichangas from Disneyland. And yeah, that's what's gonna go there. All right, sorry, I need to like calm down. I'm too excited. In here, it's just the padding. I always check the pockets because you never know with Magic at Your Door. But the inside lining is really cute. Sorry, I was choking. I'm not used to talking all day and then filming. But it's really cute. Before I go on the inside, I couldn't help but see the magic pouch. So because I am a gold subscription, I get the golden pouch. And in here is usually the pin of the month and anything else, if there's anything else in there. So we'll see what's in there. This confetti is no joke, but I love it. All right. Oh, interesting. fun fact about me, I own no Disney pins. Am I even a fan? Yes. But I do have one Disney pin, and this is gonna be my second official Disney pin. I'm actually really happy with this. I'll probably trade Joy out, no offense. Maybe my husband will like her because of Leslie Knope. But I really like Sadness. I relate with her. I cry a lot in a lot of movies, hence why I like Coco. But Sadness is just precious, and she's played by Phyllis from The Office, and The Office is my favorite show. So it's perfect. So excited about that. Kind of shocked I got a pin, honestly. And then here's the fantasy pin. Okay, on TV, on YouTube, the fantasy pin looks a lot bigger. This one's actually not big, which I'm happy because it looks so good. Not big at all. And I'm gonna have to take a picture of him so he looks better for you guys. But because you can't really tell the detail, the August is glittery. Oh, you can kind of see the glitter. He's like terrorizing the castle. You get them, Stitch. You destroy them. And he is actually really cute. Stitch is one of my favorite characters. So 3 pins, not bad. So that's in the golden pouch. Right there. All right, and then let's go inside the Coco bag. Okay, there's nothing in the confetti. My cat is so intrigued. All right, let's go ahead and open it. We like my remix. It's like the new craze. I love it. What is this? Ooh, okay, hold on. This is the Beauty and the Beast note cards with envelopes. I really wanted this. I actually put this on my wish list because I really want to do, I have big plans for my channel, and I obviously want to do more giveaways. I already did one, and I had no thank you cards, and I felt so silly. I had thank you cards, I just didn't have Disney cards. So Beauty and the Beast is my favorite like princess movie, although Mulan is my favorite princess. So I'm really excited about this. All right, I opened it like a child. I just like, but this is really, really nice. It's a little dented, probably from just like being in the backpack, but that's okay, I don't mind. It's really pretty. It's gonna look great in my classroom, I think. And then inside, am I the only one that smells things? Has the little stickers that go outside your envelopes, and then it's just a bunch of the original drawings. So we have this guy. We have, I'm just gonna go over a few because I don't want to completely destroy it. That guy. This is perfect for the theme. This guy I'm so keeping. Look how handsome he looks. Ugh, great. Belle looking all innocent. Ooh, look at me, yeah. With his like little drawings. This one's perfect. Oogie Boogie, you like it? I think he likes it. And there's a lot more. I'm not gonna go through all of them, but this is such a nice set. I was really looking forward to the set because, like I said, I really want to like do like mail back and forth. I want to do giveaways, and I just needed a starter kit. And then I'm just gonna look one more time, make sure there is nothing else. I do want to show you the inside of my Coco bag. There it is, right? Super cute. Super excited about all this. Overall, I think it was really good. I'm gonna go really quickly and count everything, and I'll come back and let you know the overall price. All right, guys, I am back. I counted somewhere around 140 or so. I do pay $125 for the subscription box, so it's really not that bad. And it's really just a fun experience. Get things that you would never like buy. Like right now, I put myself on a hold for buying Coco bags, so getting one, you know, doesn't count. So I'm really excited. I think overall it's a really good value. I'm really happy with this box. I want to say that I like this box more than my first one. My first one was great, but this one was just very customized to me, which is a great thing about Magic at Your Door. They just get better and better at like what you want, who you are, what do you like and not like. I do have a link below if you want to check it out. Not sponsored, but yeah, just something that I think you guys would enjoy. There is 3 packs. I do know from now on they are doing shipping costs, which is, I think it's just $10 for most of the US. Which is totally doable because these boxes are really heavy, so it's totally understandable. What was your favorite thing? Let me know. I think for me, I don't know, the Coco bag, 100%. I think what grew on me is the ears, just because we went to Paris. I have videos on our Paris trip. I'm trying to learn French. I'm like on 200-day sum of Duolingo. It's getting there, so I think these are growing on me. And I don't have ears. Like, this is my second pair, so I'm really excited. Like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell me what your favorite thing is. We're going to Disney World soon, and I'll probably take my Coco bag. No, definitely would take my Coco bag. So I hope you join me for that magical adventure. You can also find me on TikTok and Instagram with Backttalk the same way. And if you like my shirt, it's still on Target. It's actually a Target shirt. It was $12, but with like 20% off. I believe they're 20% off until this Sunday in the men's department. But so cute. Look at this one. All right, until next time, I hope you have a magical day. Adios.